Hey, Kreative Krissy. Thank you for stopping by at my channel. Follow along as I organize, get into shape, tinker around with DIY projects, and pick for things for my vintage booth. I am a busy wife, mother, grandmother. I love playing with my grandkids. I have them over quite a lot, so you probably see them in some of the videos. I love gardening, so I'm going to do some more posts on gardening. I only did one. And I'll probably bring you along like when I go to auctions, because auctions are really fun and I always get a lot of great deals. And then I like to go online like a little mini archaeologist and find out what the prices are of the thing, who made it, blah, blah, blah. So, thank you for joining me and stopping by my channel. So please like and subscribe down below. And you know what? This is our decade. Let's start it right. Let's get in shape, organized, healthy, and spiritual. Thank you. Bye.